Here's a little bike I just don't know what to do with. 1986 TY 250. It's a good running bike, very practical, very functional little trials bike. First of the monoshocks. I've had it for quite a few years and it's never ever let me down. Starts every time, does everything it's meant to do. But it's right on that cusp of, do you do it up because it needs a cosmetic restoration? There's certainly nothing wrong with it mechanically. Or do you just leave it the way it is? And do you like the patina of the decals and the fact that this has still got this original steel tank, complete with little dings, but also complete with those period correct decals that somebody has added along the way? The motor oil decal. These are all things that will vanish when you do it up. Now this muffler is a bit of a problem. There's a hole that'll actually blow smoke out the side, inside of that, but other than that, there's not much wrong with this. You can see that it's telling you it needs a bit of attention. Nuts and bolts and rust on the frame and whatever. But it doesn't affect it. It doesn't affect the serviceability of the bike. I'll just give it a start for you. So the question is, when they're running like that and they're doing everything they were meant to do, and the only thing wrong with them is that they look their age, should you do them up? I don't know. I like the look of this one the way it is, but I've been thinking about doing it up for years. I'll be very keen to hear your thoughts.